Need to crimp an RJ45 connector? In just 90 seconds, I'll show you the correct way to terminate a Cat6 Ethernet cable. You'll need a Cat6 cable, an RJ45 connector, a crimping tool, and a cable cutter.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
First, remove about 2 to 3 centimeters of the outer jacket. Be careful not to cut or damage the twisted wires inside. For a standard Ethernet cable, we'll use T568B. The order is white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. Straighten all 8 wires, keep them in the correct order, and trim the ends evenly. Now insert all 8 wires into the RJ45 connector. Check through the transparent plug to make sure every wire reaches the front and the cable jacket is inside the connector. Place the connector into the crimping tool and squeeze firmly. The contacts will lock into the wires and secure the cable.
Finally, test the cable. If all 8 lights appear in the correct sequence, your RJ45 connector is ready. Always test before installing the cable.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.